President Museveni has commended the former Archbishop of Kampala, Dr. Cyprian Lwanga, for his service to the country. The commendation came as the president presided over an official send-off for the prelate who died of a heart attack on Saturday. The president, who was the chief mourner, started off by laying a wreath on the casket, followed by the First Lady in honor of Dr. Kizito Lwanga, who has been the Archbishop of Kampala Diocese for 15 years. The Archbishop was then honored with a 17-gun salute before the president rose to explain why he chose to officially mourn Dr. Cyprian Kizito Lwanga.
Cyprian Lwanga was part of our Bayekera sympathizers who were in the bush fighting, but we had sympathizers. They didn't shoot guns, but I'm sure they prayed for us.
Following the release of a conclusive post-mortem report on the cause of the death of Archbishop Cyprian Kizito Lwanga, President Museveni urged elderly Ugandans to be more cautious of their health as they age. He explained that the condition that claimed the outspoken religious leader was a common heart condition that could have been detected and treated.
I think his doctors at some stage will have to explain to some audience, because what I was told is that the condition that killed him is well known. Because really, although you are saying that God has called us and all that, really I want our people of value to stay here as long as possible.
The president also used the opportunity to remind the public to continue observing standard operating procedures intended to stop the spread of COVID-19 following reports of new variants of the ailment. The Interreligious Council of Uganda passed on a message of condolence presented by Bishop Joshua Rwere on behalf of the institution president, Mufti Shaban Mubaji, who could not make it to the event as he hadn't taken a COVID-19 test.
He will be remembered for his passion for multi-religious collaboration as a vehicle for upholding the principles of the common good.
Speaking on behalf of his brother bishops, the head of the Uganda Episcopal Conference, Bishop Anthony Joseph Ziwa, called for more to emulate the good works of Archbishop Kizito Lwanga.
He has taught us to know and observe God's commandments mentioned in the gospel text. And as we know, Jesus summarized the 10 commandments into 2. 1, to love God with one's soul and heart, and secondly, to love one another as one loves oneself.
Abasiramu, abakafiri, obugambo obwo obwa Yesu. Because even when I'm fighting, I fight with love.
Prayers for the Archbishop Lwanga will continue at the Uganda Matters Shrine in Namgongo tomorrow, before his body is then taken to Lwanga Cathedral. Archbishop Lwanga was instrumental in refurbishing the shrine. Sudil Byarhanga, NTV.